In this video, I am going to show you how to get all Blooks in Blookets. So first off, just go to new tab, then search GitHub. Once you are in here, just click GitHub and just search for Blooket hacks. And if you are using this hack, you must be in the lobby to activate it. Now once you are in here, just click this first one and just go to global. And once you are in here, just click this get all Blooks in game. Just copy row 5. Once you're done copying, just right click, go inspect, go to console, and just paste. Just paste the one you have copied in GitHub. And once you have copied, just click enter and you will get all the Blooks in Blooket.